What is up, guys? I hope you are all doing tremendously. So we have a bit of a Saturday project today, just doing some stuff to make the cars a little bit nicer. I guess the truck in this instance. I'm going to be cleaning out the engine bay on my Tacoma, and then I'm going to vacuum out the interior, just make her look a little bit nicer because she's looking a little dirty right now. And before we get started with this video, let me just remind you guys that if you want to see more content like this from a young aspiring car enthusiast, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. Let me show you guys what we're going to be using. Here is our shop vac, and this is the toothbrush. And so basically, I'm just going to be going around in the engine bay and scrubbing things off with said toothbrush. As you can see, it's not really the cleanest engine. Just going to be making this look nicer, brushing off the surfaces and then vacuuming as I go, getting all the excess dirt. So we'll see how much of an impact this actually makes on the engine's look. We'll see. This is an experiment. So thus far, we have cleaned the airbox. I mean, it looks a lot better. I haven't cleaned that part yet, and this is the clean part. I mean, it's not a monumental difference, but it just makes the engine look a little more cared for. Not like I've just let dirt build up all over it for basically its entire life, because I don't think the engine's actually ever been cleaned. Done a little bit of cleaning along here. It's just looking a little nicer and shinier. Some stuff the toothbrush can't get, like that loveliness right there. But yeah, it's improving, and overall, I mean, I would recommend this to someone who wants their engine to look a little cleaner, but doesn't want to do like the full-on Chris Fix, super deep clean engine with water and scary thing. Go ahead and keep going with this. Alrighty guys, so we finished dry cleaning the engine. I used a wet paper towel and got the toothbrush wet in a couple spots with varying results. I think it looks a lot better. I don't really know how well that's going to show on camera because it is still dirty in some spots. It's not like sparkly, shiny clean. Like I said, it's not Chris Fix's super duper clean with water, and I guess I'll give you guys a look, see what you guys think. Toothbrush is dramatically disfigured. I guess I'll show you guys first. Here's our friend little toothbrush. Seen better days. That just shows how dirty the engine was. But here you guys go. And again, there's that stupid shadowing. But I used the wet paper towel on the timing cover right here. I feel like it looks much nicer than it did. The intake manifold, I used a wire brush a little bit, so you guys probably saw. I feel like everything is still dirty, but it doesn't look like it's like got a layer of dirt on it anymore. So I feel like that's a big improvement, and I'm happy with how it turned out. I would say successful. I'm gonna go out and go ahead and vacuum out the interior now and just do another time lapse of that, and we'll probably call this video good. Hopefully you found that helpful and informative. It takes a long time. It's not a quick process. I've probably been out here over an hour and a half. I think it's worth it. It doesn't look amazing, but it looks better. Improvement, right? I don't know if I have dirt on my face, so if I do, feel free to laugh. So while I was vacuuming, I came across a bit of an issue. I noticed right here, the carpet was wet. It's been raining over the past few days, and obviously, if the carpet's wet, that means the truck has a leak of some sort. Except, I already thought I fixed that leak. When we did the weather stripping replacement video, that was supposed to be the end of the leaking. That was supposed to fix it, and evidently, that's not what's gonna happen. Where is it coming from? There's none of this is wet. This is all dry. All this here, this is it's all dry, and then you get to the carpet and it's soaking, completely soaking. And it's okay. It stopped raining this morning. I came out, the truck was totally wet, like covered in water droplets everywhere. And this is all disgusting and wet and gross. I don't know what's going on, and this is worse than when it's leaked before. It hasn't been this bad. I guess that's gonna be something that we get to look for in future videos. It looks like the weather stripping worked, so I don't know where this water is coming from, but I thought it was waterproof again when I replaced the weather stripping, and evidently it's not, so sucky. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, watching me clean my engine and find out that this baby still has problems with leaking, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this from a young car enthusiast who's aspiring to become more involved in the car community and in modifying my vehicles. Hopefully, now that I've got this truck, I'm gonna be starting to do car washes. I've got a system and prices mapped out, and so maybe get enough off of those, channel starts doing better. That's you. That's for you, viewer. Channel starting to do better. Keyword. Hopefully, we'll be able to get a project car. Maybe that'll be a lot of fun. This thing is starting to turn into a project of its own, though. I don't know, maybe you could build like a trophy truck. That'd be expensive. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this and if you want to see more. If you have any commentary on how I can do better, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you didn't enjoy the video, please do also give it a dislike so that I can get an idea of how I can make better content. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Peace out.